Hello everyone, today I'm gonna turn this into this. First up, before doing any painting on a painted model, make sure to mask all clear parts. If you can remove the clear parts, then remove it. And using a smooth sanding paper to sand down the surface. If the model already have decal on it, use a low grit sandpaper to scrape away the decal and use smooth sandpaper to smooth the surface further. Now I'm using Mr. Surfacer 1000 to prime the whole model. Well, I guess I forgot to mask the windshield.
A few moments later.
After primer, I used Gaia 201 dark yellow for the base color. After that, I mix 80% of dark yellow and 20% of white to create highlight. I paint mostly top of each panel. This will break down the monotone of the color to create contrast. Before I'm doing panel lining, I paint a thick clear coat to protect the paint. Panel line is dry, I clean it with enamel thinner. For the drive shaft and engine below, I paint with enamel gunmetal. Don't worry if you overspray to the dark yellow area, because you can clean it easily with enamel thinner. Next, I'm using MIG chipping color and fine brush to create chipping effect. The important thing is that the chipping must be in scale with the model. Work with small area at a time. I'm using clear orange and red for the lights on the model. I'm spraying MIG light dust effect with my airbrush instead of using a brush to create thin layer of dust on the model. After that I'm using a flat brush to blend the effect. And the model is finished. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please click subscribe to see more video in the future. Thank you and see you guys in the next video.